Stock ticker symbol ETN, Eaton, is the stock we're going to be going over today because it was $380 just a couple days ago, dropped below $300, and now is currently trading back up to $330. Insane move to the downside. It was because of the whole DeepSeek and AI bubble popping the other day and falling to the downside, breaking below $300, and then now, because we're running up into earnings tomorrow, we have earnings tomorrow morning, we have some massive opportunities to make a trade off of this. This thing's still only $330. And with that being said, there's still a lot of room to the upside. The stock itself has a price target right now, if I pull it up, at an average price of $385, a low-end price of $348, and a high-end price of $431. So there's still a lot of upside with this one as a long-term name, but especially in the short term, this is the name at 3% up on the day right now, a beautiful move to the upside, and has been ever since basically Tuesday afternoon when it hit 298 and has been rallying ever since then, broke back above 300 and then carried throughout the day yesterday and carried throughout the day today. It's an easy winner in my opinion. Now, this is how we're going to trade it. It's very, very simple. We're going to take this red SMA line right here, which is our simple moving average line, and we want to hold above it because we bounced right here off of it, which shows us overall strength. And we broke above it here, and now we're still holding above it, so that means we're in an overall uptrend. But we got to go through a couple other factors and indicators before we completely say, all right, let's jump into this play. First things first is on this 1 hour, 1 day chart, you can see that we have a key level right here, this red SMA line, that we got rejected below and fell to the downside, and now we're trying to break back above. If we can break back above this $330 area, which was an area of support back here, as you can tell as well, when we tried to bounce once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and bounced off of it, this area right here, $330, needs to be broken tomorrow. If we can break back above $330 and above this red SMA line, then on a shorter term chart, like our 180-day chart, it shows us that we're above that 330 area, but we got to be able to break above it and hold above it. Our next area resistance on a shorter term would be this 347 area right here. Also, as you can see, it's a little bit of resistance back here where we were kind of trading and we couldn't break above this 347 to 349 area right through there. There's a lot of resistance, as you can tell. So that's another area of resistance we got to watch out for. But if we can hold above 330, I think that we run pretty close to 350. And if we can break through 350, this thing could potentially go back to 380 by tomorrow or the following day. Now, it all depends on earnings and how earnings is projected. But if we get a beat on earnings, which we're expecting to for Eaton, then I think that this is a massive win to the upside. You can see right here, all drawn out, you just got to be able to break through 330 resistance. You can break through 330, you move to 350. If you can break through 350, you move up to this 375 to 380 area. It's a massive opportunity for you guys to make a trade off of this, and I highly, highly, highly recommend taking a look at ticker symbol ETN for a trade tomorrow. We have earnings, I believe it's scheduled for 10 a.m. tomorrow, Central Standard Time. So keep that in mind when making trades and when we're going to enter in and sell out of a position. But I think that Eaton was beaten down so quickly to the downside that there's still a lot of room to the upside moving the other way. And with a strong earnings report, if we get what we're looking for, this thing could be easily back up to 370, 380. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about the stock Eaton. I think there's still a lot of opportunities for this one. Definitely check this one out before earnings tomorrow. And if you want to play the post reaction to earnings, I think that there's a lot of opportunity for this thing to run. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the stock Eaton. If you're going to take a trade on it, let me know in the comments. If you guys have any stock questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you guys next time.